Hi guys, this is Harsh and you are watching Awesome Info. From thumbnail you got the idea of today's video. In this video I will tell you about how to develop a app. Guys, if you are a professionalist then of course you need to have your own app. So in today's video I will tell you about how to develop an app without coding, without paying extra fee. So be with me in this video completely till the end and don't go anywhere. So let's start today's video without wasting our time. I am already installed this app in my phone. You can also install from Play Store. I just click on it. Here app is open. Guys, you find a three horizontal lines. You have to click on it. And we have now option create your free app, contacts and privacy policy, term and condition and review. So you have to click create your free app. Enter app name, whatever your profession, business information, online business. So you can select the category. Here lots of kind of category: firm, law firm, insurance, hire cap, government agency. I click on a health app named as Awsm Info. I selected health app and here he is tell about choose your app design. So you have a lots of kind of app design available here. Whatever you want to you just select it. For example, I will select this app design. Now I'm selected my app design and I'm going to next. It will process now. So guys, my app design will be processed and here I found my features which is installed in my app. You can change also according to your requirement. About us, one touch, inquiry, video, dictionary, whatever you want, the details in your app you just add on it. Suggested, here is the suggested section. Yeah, news, blog, dictionary. If you want to add news, just click on it. This is your page app link. Here you type your page name, add news, add features. If you want to log in your app, so you just click on it, login. That means anyone who install your app and you want to log in your app, that for user, this feature will be enabled for them. I just click on it and save and continue. Here he tells me almost done. Awesome info, almost done. To test your app, first need to sign up. So guys, you have to need to sign up from your Gmail account. Here he tells me to choose a plan. Category of free app and next basic around $15 per month, gold $30, platinum. Select one of your plan according to your app, whatever you want in your app, just Android, Windows and app. There is a lots of kind of facilities provided according to whatever you plan choose. So I can choose free plan. So guys, here he shows me congratulations, your app is on the way. My app is already now it will processed. He tells me building your native app, application link. Here he shows the benefits of paid plans. So finally guys, my app is ready. Here it is. I will open it. I am just showing a demo, that's why I could not add so many informations. It's just a completely demonstration for you. I just click on one of the section to show you how it looks like about us. So thank you very much for watching this video.